So in elementary, I don't remember having any career transitional counseling. I don't even remember having a counselor there to speak to. The only people I think I ever went to, maybe my teachers at the time, but of course no career transitional counseling. I definitely think that it would have been a good idea to have that. Maybe have people come in and talk about their occupations. I think that would have been great. I remember I put on a career day for my girls at it was a non-public school on a residential campus. So girls were probation or DCFS. And I put on career day, a very small career day. We had only 25 students. And people would come in and spend about 20 minutes talking about their profession and what it took to get there. So I think that's something that would be really great for little kids, especially getting different people. I always try to get just different people. I think I got somebody that worked at a morgue, and I got, of course, military. I got a newscaster. Things that would get their attention. Also, somebody that owned a salon and was a hairstylist. And so just introducing different things like that, just to kind of get them thinking, so that when they get into middle school and high school and they start taking assessments and they start figuring what areas they like to go into, they can maybe think back and think, oh, you know what, I really enjoyed learning about this. I wish I would have had a little bit more counseling on that, just because maybe it would have led me to career school counseling, and I would have already known which way I wanted to go. Either way, I knew I wanted to help kids. I just didn't know how. So, yeah, I definitely think that it'd be very beneficial to the kids, to the elementary kids, to have that early on.